Stress, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you top 10 best meme coins for this year Mega Bullion Super Cycle Mega Bullion. These meme coins has potential to be the next 100,000x potential here. This video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, our first meme coin is Vita Inu coin. Venus symbol 0.7 times 0 to $1 current price. This is very old meme coin. I think 4 years ago this meme coin was launched in BNB chain and it's still active in crypto market. You can see friends, chart is looking good. All time chart is looking good. $19 million market right now for this meme coin. $3 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. And just like baby Dogecoin, maybe it's possible that this year this BNB chain meme coin can next listing for Binance also. You can see friends, already Binance Alpha has listed this coin, and DWF Lab portfolio also investing here. And we are only 71% down this all-time high and 591% up in this all-time low. Coin has already killed 1-0 since the launching. It's not good performance. Okay, if we compare this meme coin to other meme coin that has already killed 3 to 4 zeros in just 1 year, but you can see friends, in 3 years coin has only killed 1 zero, but is still active in crypto market. So this is really good. You can see friends, is still trading volume is more than $3 million. So this is really good. These are central exchanges where this coin is listed. All meme coins you can buy on CoinX and KuCoin exchange. Both central exchange links are already provided in description. You can check out both central exchanges. Friends, my price prediction for Vino is around $1 billion. Maybe we can see its market from just 19 million up to $1 to $3 billion here, because it's still lots of central exchange listing left for Vino. Friends, second one is another BNB chain meme coin. Its name is Koma Inu. Okay, this is son of Shiba Inu coin. You can see friends, current price 0.0 to $1 listed in Binance Future. So this is good. And you can see friends, current market only $13.1 million. This is another low cap meme coin. $6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is really good friends. 1 billion coin supply, 605 million, okay, 605 million supply in circulation, and other are burned. So this is good. This is almost 30% supply is also burned. You can see friends, another dog theme meme coin. Binance Alpha is also list this coin, and made in USA. So this is good. We are 88% down the all-time high. There was 6 months ago, and almost 500% up in its all-time low. Also they were 8 months ago. So this is new meme coin as compared to Vino. You can see friends, only I think 9 to 10 months old only. So this is good. These some central exchanges already list this coin. CoinX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Binomi has already listed this coin, and Gate.io. So I think Komainu has definitely potential, because another BNB ecosystem dog theme meme coin, so has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Friends, third one is Sui ecosystem meme coin. I think few months ago this was the largest meme coin in Sui ecosystem in number of market cap, but right now due to heavy selling from whales, this meme coin barely jump here, and you can see current price $0.0022, and right now market only $22.5 million. So right now this is not number one market meme coin in Sui ecosystem, but is still active in crypto market. You can see friends, $27 million trading volume in last 24 hours, already listed in Binance Future. 10 billion supply and all in circulation. And because Sui chain meme coin is going to fast their first mega bullion this year, so and this is not a dog theme meme coin, this is a hippo theme meme coin, so has potential to be the next multi-billion dollars market cap. You can see friends, 92% down the all time high there was 7 months ago, and only 61% up in its all time low there was just 2 months ago, when this meme coin was barely crashed. But right now going upward, and if market cap entire market will goes good, then definitely we can see this meme coin to make new all-time high also. These some central exchanges already list this coin, and maybe we can see stay on one central exchange listing also. First, fourth one is Van. Okay, a cat theme meme coin experience current price 0.4 times $0.43. Current market cap only $31.5 million. $3.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is really good. Almost 30% supply is also burned. I think 1 trillion supply and 30% supply is burned. Solana ecosystem cat theme meme coin, but also has some use case, not just a meme coin, but NFT 5 project, AI meme, and fractalized NFT. So this is good. We are almost 91% down than its all-time high. They were 1 year ago, and 178% up than its all-time low also. So this is somehow good performance because recently entire market is dumping. So that's why its prices also dump here. These some central exchanges where this coin is already listed, and maybe you can see its major central exchange listing. Also, my price prediction for Van is at least 3 to maybe 4-5 billion dollars. And for fifth one is Lady meme coin. Lady is the symbol. You can see friends, Lady's coin 0.7 times 0.4 $5 current price, and $40 million market cap. Market cap is no doubt good. $7 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This and other NFT type project, you can see friends, and the initial launch in Ethereum. After that on Arbitrum chain also, we almost 90% down in all time high. They were 1 year ago. 6,000% up in all time low. They were 2 years ago. So performance from this coin is somehow good, and you can see friends, early listed on many major central exchanges. Bybit, MeTime has listed, Crypto.com, KuCoin, CoinX is early listed coin. So I think Ladies has definitely potential to be the next $1 billion market. My price prediction for Ladies, we can see from just 40 to maybe $4 to $5 billion in this year mega balloon, because friends, it's still loads of central exchange listing left for Ladies. Sixth one is Snack Coin. This is very unique meme coin because friends, this is snack theme meme coin in Cardano ecosystem. As I will show you, BNB ecosystem meme coin, Sui Chain meme coin, and Solana meme coin. But this is Cardano ecosystem meme coin, ADA ecosystem meme coin. You can see friends, current price $0.0029, and $216 million market for Snack already. So this is good. $1.3 million trading volume. Trading volume is a bit low because still there's no any tier 1 central listing for this coin, but definitely in mega balloon maybe it's possible the Snack can be next listing for major central exchanges also. 2000% up than its all-time low, and 67% down than its all-time high also. These central exchanges are listed coin. You can see friends, CoinX is here. I think not on KuCoin yet, but MEXC, Get.io, Bitget. You can see friends, Kraken, a base US central exchange, has also listed this coin. So I think Snake, because it's very different meme coin, and I think we can see its market from just 216 million up to maybe $5 to $10 billion. The seventh number is Peanut the Squirrel, another Binance ecosystem, Binance listed meme coin, not Binance ecosystem, but Binance listed meme coin, $0.26 current price, and you can see friends, $266 million market for Peanut, $123 million trading volume in last 24 hours, around 1 billion supply, all in circulation. This is good. You can see friends, Elon Musk inspired meme coin, and this is good. We are almost 89% down the all-time high. There was 7 months ago $2.4, and right now current price you can see $0.2, and all-time low was $0.031. We are from 700% up. Binance lists this coin, most recent like listing done for this coin Peanut. So Peanut right now again in massive dump, and maybe we can see its market from 226 million all the way up to $20 billion. Friends, add fun is Ponkino Solana ecosystem first ever meme coin, dog theme meme coin. You can see current price right now 0.4 times $0.16, current market $1.2 billion. $154 million trading volume in last 24 hours, and performance from this coin is good. You can see only 71% down than its all-time high, and 19,000% up than its all-time low. Launched in 2022 bear market, and maybe in this year bull market, bulls mega bull run, we can see Bong to perform good because Binance Coinbase already lists this coin. Current market cap is 1.2 billion, but friends, this is meme coin that has potential to be the at least next 30 to 40 billion dollars market cap. From just 1.2 billion up to 30 to 40 billion dollars market cap for Bonkino. Ninth one is Nairo coin 0.3 times 0. Okay, for $5 current price, 2% down in last 24 hours. $191 million market cap, $118 million trading volume in last 24 hours. You can see friends, 420 billion supply all in circulation, and Ethereum ecosystem dog theme meme coin. So this is good. 84% down than its all-time high, and 18,000% up than its all-time low. Also, mostly Central Exchange listing done for Nairo. You can see friends, Binance is listed, so you can buy from all Central exchanges. And Nairo has also potential to be the next multi-billion dollars market coin. It's really possible that we can see Nairo from just 191 million up to 10 to 20 billion dollars market. Friends, 10th and last in this list is Maniki, Solana ecosystem, Carthy meme coin, and Japani narrative meme coin. You can see, friends, Maniki snap $0.001 current price, $12.6 million market for this coin, $7.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours, and performance from this meme coin is not too good. You can see 94% down in its all-time high, and only 67% up in its all-time low. Is just because entire crypto market is down, that's why its price is looking down. You can see, friends, Bitfinex is early listed this coin, and Get.io, KuCoin has also listed this coin, CoinX is here, Crypto.com has listed this coin, and maybe we can see many other major central exchange listing. My price prediction for Maniki is at least $1 to $3 billion. And friends, these are top 10 best meme coin they are also holding on different central exchanges. But this video is not any financial value video. Maybe many of these meme coins can also be zero because this is crypto market and meme coins are highly risky, but definitely these meme coins has also potential to be the next $1 billion market, because right now they are all are in major dip, as I'll show you, 90 to 94% down than their all-time highs. And there are some possibilities that we can see these meme coins to get at least 100 to maybe 1000x profit also.